No Wi-Fi? No problem. You can use your phone's mobile hotspot to connect your HiSense Roku TV and keep streaming. So here I will show you how to set it up on both iPhone and Android. So first you have to set up your phone hotspot the right way. So if you're using an iPhone, open Settings, then tap Personal Hotspot. And from here, first you have to turn on Allow Others to Join, then enable Maximize Compatibility to help keep the connection more stable. And if you're on Android, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, and here you will find the option Hotspot and Tethering. Now turn on Wi-Fi hotspot, and from here you will see all the details. But if you are an Samsung users, from the settings you will find the option Connections and then the mobile hotspot. So once your hotspot is turned on, you will see your Wi-Fi name and password on the screen. Now grab your HiSense Roku remote and go to Settings, then Network, and set up connections. So here choose Wireless, and your HiSense Roku TV will start searching for nearby Wi-Fi network. So when your phone hotspot appears on the list, just select it, enter the password using the on-screen keyboard, then press Connect, and that's it. Your HiSense Roku TV is now connected to your phone hotspot, so you can start streaming even without regular Wi-Fi. Hope this helped. Thanks for staying tuned with Fix269 till the end.